guys, in today's video I'm going to be basically solving 5 main hair issues that you guys face in the winter, and I will give you tips and hacks for it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first main issue we all face in the winter is dry, itchy scalp. Now this basically happens because we are exposed to dry air, we use heaters inside the house, we use hot water for a bath, there is lack of moisture in the air anyway. So all of this combined together makes the skin on your scalp really dry, just the way the skin on your face gets dry. The same way the skin on your scalp also gets really itchy and dry. So a fix for this would be take either olive oil, coconut oil or almond oil, mix a few drops of lavender oil in it. Now lavender oil has a very calming effect on the scalp. It also helps in curb any sort of skin inflammation on your scalp. Either of the oils is very hydrating and nourishing at the same time, so this will be a great combination for you to use. Do this about twice a week and your scalp irritation will definitely be a lot better. The other things that you need to make sure is that you're using a gentle and mild shampoo, nothing too harsh, nothing with too much sulfate in it, which will make your scalp even more dry. Try using a mask as a conditioner, try leaving it in your hair for a longer time. Avoid using too much hot water, do a cold rinse at the end after using a conditioner so it seals your cuticles, and most importantly you have to make sure that you're oiling your scalp, which even I have started in the winter. The second point is straw-like hair, especially for people who have colored, damaged hair. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Now this happens because of depleted levels of moisture in the air, which actually kind of sucks out and makes your hair drier. I have also noticed that in the winter people drink less water, which also affects your skin and hair. So consciously make it a point to drink lots of water to keep hydrating yourself, because in the winter the most important thing you can do for your skin and hair is hydrate, not just from the outside but also from the inside. Now for this, take 4 spoons of coconut milk, mix half a banana in it, add 1 teaspoon of honey in it and mix this really well. Preferably run this in the mixie so that there are no lumps in the banana which will get stuck on your hair. Apply this on your mid-lengths to ends especially, and don't go too close to your roots with this. This is an extremely hydrating mask for your hair. Apply moisturizing serums that have argan oil and jojoba oil. Now these 2 ingredients are very moisturizing, so pick serums that actually have these 2 ingredients. It will really help you. Also vitamin E is also very good for your hair. Avoid using heated tools like straighteners, curlers too much in the winter, or if you're using this, please always make sure you have a protective serum below it. Also try minimizing the use of hair dryers with maximum heat. Maybe cold dry your hair, or either just air dry it or dry it on a lower speed, because I know in the winter you guys want to dry your hair out, otherwise a lot of people can catch a cold. So minimize the heat level of your dryer and then use it. Now the third point is hair fall, which even I am facing right now, and I have heard a lot of people lose hair in the winter. Now our hair actually goes through 3 stages of hair growth, which is called anagen, catagen and telogen. Now anagen is your growing stage, and catagen is a transitional stage between anagen and telogen is the shedding, or it's actually the resting or the shedding phase when actually your hair starts to fall. Towards the end of the year is when I feel a lot of people more like maximum of the hair sort of enters the telogen stage, and that is why your hair also falls. Another point that I feel is that there's build-up of a lot of dead skin cells or build-up of dry skin on your scalp, and that covers the hair follicle, so nutrients can't pass from your follicle into your hair. Try shampooing your hair regularly with a mild and gentle shampoo so that there is not too much buildup of dead skin cells on your scalp. Alternatively, you can use any sort of oil which has onion juice in it. Now, onion oil actually nourishes the hair follicle and restores the nutrients. It also minimizes breakage and thinning of the hair due to its rich sulfur content. It also promotes hair growth, increasing strength and volume. have a biotin and vitamin C rich supplements. There are multiple options online and also in the market. I will leave a few links in the description box. Also, another thing that is very important is that I think you guys should start getting a head massage in case you're having a lot of hair fall. I have started a head massage and I do it once or sometimes even twice a week for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now that really increases your blood supply to your follicles, so it gets stimulated and there will be healthy hair that will grow out. The next point is hair breakage and split ends. Now this basically happens for two reasons. First is that there's too much buildup of dead skin cells on your scalp. There is not enough nutrition that is passed into your hair, and hence your hair is depleted of nourishment and it becomes brittle and you get split ends. Another reason is that there is extreme dryness in your hair, so don't let your hair get to that stage of extreme dryness. And obviously it's winter, it is dry, and because of all of the reasons I mentioned in the video. So a fix for this would be using a mask which has a lot of protein in it. So take 1 egg, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it, and take 1 vitamin E capsule and mix it all together. So all the 3 ingredients have a lot of fatty acids, nutrients and proteins that our hair needs when it is breaking and super weak. Apply this on your midlands to ends. Keep this in for maybe an hour, hour and a half. Do this twice a week for best results. So you need to nourish your hair from within and also from the outside, and make sure that your hair does not get to a stage where it is so dry that it is breaking and you have split ends. You can also use a really nice serum in between your washes just to keep your hair moisturized so that it does not become too dry. Use hydrating hair masks that strengthen your hair, like egg hair masks that have a lot of protein in it. Now the last point is white flakes that we commonly suffer from in the winter. Before that, I just want to tell you guys the difference between dandruff and white flakes. Now dandruff is actually a scalp infection caused by a fungus called Melasthesia, and we usually get that in the monsoon season because of all of the infection around us. And in the winter, what we have is usually flakes, which is caused by dead skin cells on your scalp or dry skin on your scalp which falls off. They're smaller white particles. Dandruff is usually bigger and yellow in color because it is a scalp infection. So make sure that you know whether you have dandruff or whether you have dry flakes so that you are able to tackle it accordingly. So for something like this, what you can actually do is a lot of times the pH level of our scalp gets up and down because of so much dryness around in the environment. So try using a mild shampoo that actually regulates the pH level of your scalp. Another thing you can do is please do not scratch your scalp when it gets super itchy. It's just going to aggravate it and make it worse. Just pat it slightly just like that and try keeping your scalp moisturized and hydrated with all of the tips I have shared in this video. So I hope this video was helpful. Please try it out. If you have any other issues apart from this, please leave it down in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.